Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my video series on data science. In this session, we will discuss the step 3 of data science process, that is data pre-processing. In this session, we will explore attributes and instances, types of features, significance of data pre-processing. We will discuss the common challenges and the techniques to solve them. At the end, we will have a demo using Python. A dataset is a collection of rows and columns. Columns are often referred as features, attributes, or variables. Rows are also called tuple, instance, object, or a record. In this dataset, we have information about the students. We can see there are different kind of features. Some are numeric, some are string, and some are numeric values with floating point numbers. Let's discuss the types of features. Data could be numeric or categorical. Numeric data is quantitative data that could be measured or counted. Categorical data is qualitative data that describes the characteristics or categories. Numerical data is further divided into interval and ratio. In interval data, the difference among the values is meaningful, but there is no true zero point. For example, temperature, IQ score. The value 0 does not indicate the absence of temperature or the IQ. While in the ratio, the difference is meaningful, but there is a true zero point. For example, weights in kilograms, distance in kilometers. Categorical data is divided into nominal, ordinal, and binary. In nominal data, there is no order. For example, your name, your eye color, your social security number. While ordinal data has an order. For example, educational degrees, satisfaction level, movie ratings. Binary data has only two values. For example, present or absent, approved or not approved. You will often get confused while classifying your data into one of the four categories. This chart will help you to correctly classify into their right category. For example, nominal data has only categories and we can calculate the mod. Ordinal data has categories, has order, and we can calculate mod and median. Similarly, if you see interval and ratio data, more criteria are fulfilled. What is the significance of data pre-processing? This process improves accuracy, completeness, and consistency by handling the missing values, outliers, and noise. It aligns the data formats and scales to meet the requirement of the various algorithms, ensuring better outcomes. It streamlines the data, making it more meaningful and reducing the computational cost. Let's discuss the common challenges with different kinds of data. The tabular data, we face the challenges like missing or duplicate values, outliers, noise, data imbalance, and inconsistent data types. The image data, we face issues like noise and artifacts, unnormalized pixel values, inconsistent resolution, scale orientation variability, and data imbalance. The textual data, we face issues like noise and irrelevant data, stop words, out of vocabulary words, slang and domain specific terms, and data imbalance. This course will focus on the challenges with the tabular data. Let's go over some common challenges you might encounter when working with data and how to handle them effectively. Starting with missing and duplicate values. Remove. Eliminate rows or columns with missing values if the amount of missing data is minimal and does not significantly impact the dataset. But if that's not the case, then we have to choose impute. Impute is the process of replacing missing values with statistical measures. For example, mean, median, or different interpolation techniques. We can also use machine learning models to predict and fill in the missing values based on other features. Handling outliers. First, we identify the outliers using statistical methods such as z-score or IQR method. Then we remove the outliers if they are likely to be errors or impute them using strategies similar to those for the missing values. We also apply transformations such as logarithmic or square root transformations to reduce the effect of outliers on the dataset. Impossible values or noise in the data can be manually identified and corrected based on domain knowledge. For example, if a dataset records the temperature of a city that there is a value of 150 degrees Celsius, it would be manually flagged and corrected as it's not possible for a city temperature to be that high. When dataset contains measurement in different units, for example, weights in pounds and kilograms, it is crucial to standardize these units for consistency. This can be done by converting all the measurements to a single unit system using appropriate conversion formula. Data imbalance can be handled using oversampling or undersampling techniques. In the oversampling technique, it involves increasing the number of instances in the minority class by replicating them or generating synthetic samples using methods like SMOT. In the undersampling method, it reduces the number of instances in the majority class to match the minority class, which helps balance the dataset. Data may come in various formats, and converting these to consistent data types is essential for accurate analysis. For example, date fields stored as strings should be converted to datetime format, and numerical data stored as text should be converted to appropriate numeric types. By addressing these challenges effectively, data preprocessing improves the quality of data, thereby enhancing the performance of the data analysis and machine learning models. In this session, we explored attributes and instances, different type of features, significance of data preprocessing, and some common challenges and the techniques to solve them. Thank you very much for your time and see you in the next video.